Bonjour, bonjour, ça va tubers. We're back in the piston alignment workshop today, continuing with the Terrot 100cc. My assistant is just playing with his engine now. We got this bike and it came with a box of bits, so we're just sorting through today what we've got, what we can use. Apparently at some point in its life it was a runner. Exactly. We are obviously going to need a few bits off the bat, but we're going to start with the engine and go from there, because that's the most important bit. Oh tubers, it's going well. This once running engine probably was running, but met its fate rather drastically, as this has been inspecting the engine components, and the Comrod has a very sexy kink in it. I don't know if you ever see that. We'll get some pictures on this on our new Facebook page.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and follow.
Oh, that's it. Yeah. Once owned by Douglas Bardot.
Of La Resistance.
Yeah.
So this is a bit of a shit really. There's a good start. Also, on my shelf of one behind us, the barrel is quite a nasty chunk in the fin, so that's gone, lost, buried forever.
But on the plus side, it looks like a space alien if you look at it.
It does. It looks very steampunk, which is very in vogue at the moment. It looks pretty trick. I like that.
Pair of goggles on it.
Yeah. So we could do this like Wally. And that's about where we got to. So
Don't forget the Saturday night bit.
the Saturday night.
Yeah, piston roll. It's got junk out of it.
That's it. Oh, I didn't even know that.
Yeah, I told you. Saturday night.
Yeah, and your Saturday night for all you old schoolers out there. It's a nice chunk out of that. So
Now do some shopping.
it's it's a gem.
Better get easy in before Brexit.
Yes. So next we're going to do, like you just said, we're going to do some shopping. Hopefully the government can make up their mind what they want to do, and we'll get some cheap bits. So we'll carry on now. Well, in a minute, and see how we go.